Welcome to my first video. For this project, you will need an Arduino software IDE, a microcontroller board Attiny85 from DigiSpark, and some drivers to get you go. So let's get started. You can buy an Attiny85 from any online shop or purchase it from local hobby shop if available. In Attiny85, the Attiny tells us the microcontroller version, the number 8 tells us that it is a 8-bit microcontroller, and the number 5 tells us that its breaking voltage is 5 volts. Let's move further and try to download the Arduino software. Go to the official website of Arduino and download the latest version of software compatible with your operating system and install it. I have already installed the software, so I'll not download it again. After the installation is complete, you will need one more thing, that are the Digistorm drivers for your board. Just go to the link in the description below and proceed with your download. Extract the zip folder and install the drivers according to your system architecture. After the drivers are installed, open the Arduino software. Now go to Files and select Preferences. Then copy paste the link given in the description below in the additional Boards Manager URLs. After that, go to Tools, then Boards, and select Board Manager and install Digistorm AVR boards, which are already installed on my device. Now as our setup is ready, go to File, then select Examples, look for DigiSpark keyboard and select Keyboard. A new window with a pre-written program will open. Click the Verify button to compile the program. After the compiling is done, it's time to upload the program to our board. Note that you don't have to plug the board before we start the uploading process. First click Upload button to start the uploading process, then the uploader will ask to plug in the device. Plug in the board to USB port and the program will be uploaded to the board. When the uploading is done, micronucleus completed message will be displayed. Immediately unplug the board or it will start executing the program. Open the notepad and plug in the board. You will notice that it is printing Hello DigiSpark after every 5 seconds. Let's take a view at the program. First statement will do nothing but will make sure that no characters are missed in slower systems. Second statement prints Hello DigiSpark, and the third statement tells the board to wait for 5000 milliseconds, that is 5 seconds, and this whole process will keep repeating. So as we have seen how the system recognizes the board as a human interface device, we can use this flaw to perform a keystroke injection attack. It can type keys at very greater speeds. I designed a payload which creates a batch file in a startup folder, which means every time the system is started, the batch file will be executed. You'll get the link to the file in the description below. I am planning to do some improvements in this project. As soon as it is completed, the video will be uploaded on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe and make sure you press the bell icon to receive the notifications. So for now, goodbye.